Look at this. Delicious. This is red lentil chili. But I put carrots in it. There's carrots, green peppers, red lentils, brown lentils, kidney beans, mushrooms, onions, garlic, 1 can of tomato paste, 1 can of diced tomatoes. Cook it in the Instant Pot for 18 minutes on the manual. We got some cornbread here. Just followed the back of the recipe on the package for the cornmeal. And then I baked some rice in the oven. This went about 20 minutes, 40 minutes. This is like 5 cups of brown rice. And they've all baked at 400 degrees. So that's what's for dinner. Hope everyone's having a good day. Okay, bye-bye.